Hi, Richard from Total Parts Plus here. Today we have a 2011 Mazda CX-7 Luxury Sport, stock number 5511. This shape ran from the 6th of 2009 to the 2nd of 2012. It has an L3 2.3 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an auto all-wheel drive transmission. We have an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Right-hand headlight, right-hand fog. Left-hand headlight, left-hand fog. Good bonnet. Left-hand mirror. Left-hand guard. Factory alloy mag wheels with 19-inch rims. Good left front door. Good right front door. Left rear wheel. Factory alloy mag. 19-inch rim. Tailgate. Right-hand taillight. Right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 19-inch rims. Right-hand mirror. Right-hand guard. Right front wheel, factory alloy mag, 19-inch rims. Right front door trim. Master switch. Center console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, CD 6-stack CD player head unit, interior mirror, left-hand sun visor, courtesy light, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster. 3-spoke steering wheel with phone, audio and cruise buttons.